go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know wagwan. When you turn me around, wagwan. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum.
Hey girl, hey, your favorite shopaholic is back, sharing some new crochet hair. I have been absolutely loving these human hair crochets. So today I'm sharing with you guys some hair from Young Beauty. This hair is their 22 inch and it is in their kinky curly multi-texture. I love this curl pattern. It is a tight kinky curly, but it also has a beautiful coily curl to it as well that you can easily activate using leave-in conditioner, water, and styling mousse. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out this braid pattern and this crochet. So I did two braids going directly across the nape of my neck. I did a braid in the front on either side, two braids in the front on either side, and then a zigzag braid in the front, and then I just braided everything straight down to the back of my head. When I installed the hair, I literally just looped it around underneath the braid and then just looped it twice to make sure it was secure on each cornrow. I didn't do any other type of install than just literally looping the hair and then knotting it off twice. That's the only way I ever install my crochet. It's fast, it's secure, and it's very beginner friendly. I don't know about you guys, but when I do crochet, it is to get a quick style, a style that is simple and easy for me to do on my hair by myself. That is the allure of crochet, is that it's a beautiful style that can look very natural. It's secure to your head. You can sleep in it, and it's very simple and easy for you to install yourself quickly. The older I get, the less I can spend long, extensive amounts of time on my head. I don't know. I don't have the patience for it and I don't have the stamina for it anymore. So I love crochet because of that reason. So again, I'm just showing you how I do my install. Very simple, very straightforward. I think in my head total, I had 2, 4, 5. I had 6 braids in my head total, 6 cornrows. So on the side, I literally just do the same method. I don't change anything. I just put the needle underneath my braid, loop the hair around, and then knot it off 2 times so it's nice and secure. And yeah, I did do this hair very close together with my install. I wanted this hair to be very full. I wanted it to be very thick. You do not have to install this much hair. I ended up installing 4.5 packs out of the full 5 packs. You could easily get away with installing 2.5 in the back and 1.5 in the front for a total of 4 packs. Definitely didn't need to do 5. I wanted to do 5 because I knew I wanted to wear this style in 2 different ways. I wanted to wear this style as a afro bush, a very large afro bush. And you'll see when I start to cut the hair that that is exactly what I got. And then I also knew I wanted to wear this hair in a styled, very defined curly look, which would be a lot more sleek and a lot less bushy. So I did want the versatility, so that is why I installed this much hair. So also remember, you have your cornrows going straight back. You definitely want to install some hair that connects the cornrows together. Otherwise, you'll have very large parts in your head because the cornrows are so separated from each other. So just install a piece or 2 pieces of hair where those large parts are and they travel all the way to the back of your head. You definitely don't want that. So like halfway between the braid at the crown of your head, just install like 1 or 2 pieces of crochet hair to just disguise that part because you don't want those big parts showing. So now you see it kind of disguises that part So just make sure you do that step as well. Now it is time to give yourself a haircut. And remember, I did install a lot of hair because I did want to be able to wear this hair in a curly bush, like an afro, as well as a defined style. So for the afro style to work, you definitely want to fluff the hair out, pull the hair down, and make sure the hair is where you want it to be before you start cutting. And then you want to start shaping your afro. The way I like to shape mine is to have it close around my neck. So I cut it like shorter so that it's closer around my neck. I trim off any straggly pieces, and I like to have my afro very, very round, like almost in a perfectly round shape. And then I like to add a bang or like some face framing layers around my face. So I'm doing this in real time so you can get a sense of, the speed that I do this in. A lot of times I'll speed it up, but I really want you to be able to see that I take my time and do this in a slow, kind of methodical manner just to make sure I'm getting everything, all the pieces cut the way I want. And I usually split my head in half. As you can see from the back, I split my head in half and bring the hair to the front so I can get a better view of what I'm doing. And that's pretty much the end of the cut. It definitely gives a beautiful afro look that my husband and my son absolutely loved it this way. They wanted me to wear it this way. I wanted to wear it this way as well, but I did want to share with you all how you can define the curls and not just wear it as an afro. I want to give you a full styling so you can see all your options with this hair. You do have a lot of options and a lot of versatility. So to define these curls, I did use 3 products. My Fenty leave-in conditioner, which I am completely obsessed with. Highly recommend. A water bottle and my Glee Made soft hold styling mousse, which is the secret ingredient. It really does give you that defined curl that is going to last for several days. It doesn't leave you with a hard cast, but it does leave your hair in a nicely defined curl pattern. And of course, you need your Denman brush. All these items can be found on Amazon. I'll leave links down below. But yeah, this Denman brush is a must. You will not get your curls popping without it, so I highly recommend. When you have this much hair on your head, I would definitely recommend working in sections that are manageable for you. To not get frustrated. Like, don't take large sections if you'll get frustrated and then start pulling on your hair. Because again, this is crochet, so it's not your own hair, but it is attached to your own hair. And this is supposed to be a protective style, which means your hair is protected and you're not trying to, disturb it or pull it or, while you're detangling, yanking on your cornrows. That's kind of defeats the purpose of a protective style. So when I do this, I work in small sections and I make sure to hold the crochet hair so it's not pulling on my braids. I'm literally just detangling it in my hand and it's not pulling directly on my own hair and my cornrows. So just be sure to be as gentle as possible. Remember, this is a protective style, so you want your hair to be even better when this style comes out than it was before. So just be as gentle as possible. Again, this is human hair. It can be used again. So even for that reason, you want to be careful even with your crochets because you just want to make sure they're hydrated, moisturized, and gently detangled so you can wear this hair for as long as possible across multiple different installs, which is exactly what I have done in the past and plan to do again. I just cannot get over how juicy and beautiful and healthy this hair is. It looks so good. It feels amazing, extremely lightweight and extremely versatile. I'm showing you a traditional, versatile crochet install, but you can do so many different styles with this. You can do mini twists, Yankee twists, boho braids, boho twist, Senegalese twist with human hair ends, so many different options. And yeah, I highly recommend this hair. The curl pattern is stunning. It matches both natural hair textures like afro textures as well as defined beautiful ringlet curls. So I think it's extremely versatile, well worth the money, and a great investment, especially for this time of the season, which is summer and vacation time. And look at this absolutely beautiful turnout with these defined, juicy, bouncy curls. Highly recommend this hair. Look how versatile it is. It went from an afro to a defined curly look with beautiful layers. I'm obsessed. I grabbed my Glee Made Edge Control, again available on Amazon. Just styled my edges, did my makeup, put on this beautiful summer dress. I was feeling it, y'all. And this purple lip from Glee Made is just, the icing on the cake. This color is Grape Twist. It's available on Amazon and gleemade.com as well if you like the lipstick. Look at this install. I'm totally obsessed. I'm going to show you how versatile it is. You can wear it on the side part, left or right, half up, half down, all up in a ponytail. Very versatile. I forgot to mention, but I did diffuse the hair. I used my Conair diffuser, also from Amazon. I'll leave links to everything in the description box down below so you can check out all the products that I used. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share the video. Give it a huge thumbs up. It super helps me out. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. We're at 91K and we want to get to 100K by the end of 2025. I think we can do it. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.